Hi, I'm Jamie, and welcome to New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today, we're in Winter Park, Colorado with Koelbel Mountain Communities, taking a look at the Elkhorn Townhomes. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Ann Burks, the Community Sales Manager for Koelbel Mountain Communities, a part of Koelbel & Company. Today, we're at our Rendezvous development, and we're going to take a look at our Elkhorn Downhill A unit, which is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath floor plan with a 1-car attached garage. Rendezvous sits right outside of the town of Winter Park, about 15 minutes from Winter Park Resort and 40 minutes from Rocky Mountain National Park. We have extensive trails within Rendezvous for hiking, biking, snowshoeing, and in the wintertime, we groom a Nordic ski track. We also are backed to the Arapahoe National Forest, where there are miles and miles of additional hiking and biking trails. Please join me for a tour as we look at our Downhill A Elkhorn Townhome. Upon entry to the unit, you have a nice bench with some cubbies, a great place to store hats, mittens, boots. Got coat hooks above to hang jackets for yourselves, your guests. This is a great place to sit down and to be able to take off your shoes, get the kids situated. Upstairs to our main living level, we've got a nice open living, dining, kitchen area. So you can have conversation while prepping in the kitchen. It has a beautiful built-in table, plenty of space for 4 to 6 seats. We did feature this one with a nice additional side table over here as an accessory piece to show additional area for eating. The kitchen itself has quartz countertops, beautiful black stainless steel appliances. We do have a gas range, and the cabinets are going to be an alder in a cottage onyx finish with a shaker style door. Kind of ties that mountain and contemporary theme together. The nice thing is, if you were to purchase one of these at the early stages of construction, you could select all of these finishes yourself to include the countertops, the cabinets, the backsplash, all of the plumbing, faucets, and fixtures. All would be selections that you could choose. We've got an extensive list of options, and we also work with a design center, so you can meet with a designer on site at their location. On this particular floor plan, we have the master bedroom. The kitchen, dining, and living are all on the same level, along with the laundry. You've got a nice laundry closet here for a full-size washer and dryer. We've got a nice Whirlpool front load set in here. There is a shelf. The nice feature is this is a high ceiling closet, so you would have the ability to add cabinets if you wanted, or additional shelves for storage. Each floor plan has a nice powder bath on the main level, so your guests don't have to go through a bedroom. Here is the master bedroom. As you can see, we have done some great wallpaper design. Plenty of space for a king-size bed. Great window for natural light. Large, nice walk-in closet with some built-in shelving. As I mentioned earlier, each bedroom is en suite, so it has its own bathroom. This one is a nice dual vanity bathroom. We've got alder cottage finished cabinets in here with quartz countertops, beautiful tile decor in the shower. We use a lot of transom lights throughout our Elkhorn Townhomes, which gives great natural light in the homes. Every level has its own deck. I'm gonna go outside here for a moment. So you have a nice little area outside that you can put a table and chairs, sit and have your coffee, relax after a long day of hiking or skiing. You can see the ski hills off there, ski mountains off there in the distance. We're gonna go down to the main level, which is where we entered, and take a look at the bedroom bathroom suite on that level. As I mentioned previously, we use Guy's Floor Service, which is a design center down in Denver, and you can select your finishes from them. This is the ensuite guest room on the entry level of the townhome. It has nice, large windows for great natural light, has its own private balcony, walk-in closet with plenty of storage space, whether you're here as a full-time resident or using it as a vacation home. Has a nice bathroom with a good sized shower. Go outside on the deck. It's just very peaceful up here. Down to our walkout level. And this is going to be bedroom number 3. It is on our walkout level. As you enter this room, you have an extra little sitting area. Would be perfect for a desk if someone needed a little home office space or just a quiet reading area. The room is large enough to place a nice queen or king size bed with nightstands. Great walk-in closet. And private bath with a bathtub. And your own private patio. Thank you for touring our Downhill A Elkhorn Townhome property in our Rendezvous development. We have many townhome properties available, some that are ready to move in and several that are still under construction with the ability to choose options and selections. We also have a plan for some new construction starts. Please visit our website at rendezvouscolorado.com to get more information on our available properties and the neighborhood in general. If you would like to schedule a tour either in person with social distancing protocols or virtually, please give us a call at 970-726-5177. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks and have a great day.
For more information about this community, click the link in the description and stay tuned for more new home showcases.